Welcome to Lifestyle. Today we are service the engine. Find damaged plug. So the engineer started a buck and a miss. So we know the plug can cause some of that. But right now, find a burst coil. Plus the mechanic did wrap up it with some duct tape and thing. So this plug a leak, the coil a leak also. So that can cause a miss and a heavy chuckling. So we'll get rid of all of them now. So these are the plugs that we remove. As I can see, the sparks plug damage. No, look, I got to catch this one. Say nah, burn good, so engine mixed. And this come for number 1. I want to give it a perfect burn. Number 3. And number 1 and number 4. Damage. And mixture body. And welcome to We Lifestyle. This is a 1NZ engine. 1NZ. So we'll service it. Because it have a little misfiring, take when you start a morning time, baffle and all those things. So we'll get rid of all that we can cause all them problems today. Engine dirty, and you want it sparkling clean. You don't know, you can buy one of the purple blast and watch how perfect it works. Watch it. See how perfect it works? See how perfect the purple blast works? Watch him. Clean. See it? Purple blast. Can clean an engine with it. Very clean and nice. Can clean it at home. One and Z. Change head gasket and bearings. But I'm going to take out the engine. Change head gasket and the bearings. I'll kick you up. I'm going to hear this. Blood seed there. Put him back together now. Can see it? Carburetor spray. While we're clean the sensor them. Clean out the chuckle body and thing. You see it? So we have a baffling and a little buck and a glitch a morning time when the vehicle first start. So you know when it start buck. So we change the oil, the filter, the plug, clean out the chuckle body with some carburetor cleaner. And we clean up the sensor with also the carburetor cleaner, change the air filter, oil filter, and something there. All of them though me know can cause the problem. So let's listen how it sound now. One click, start properly now. So here, chuckling smooth, well smooth and alright. It's going good. Oh, excellent.